Vectors are everywhere. They get us from one point to another. They work in our bodies. We even carry them in our pockets every day. It is estimated that over 63 million people in the US have an iPhone. That means when they challenge your friends to 8-ball, pool, tanks, mini golf, or penguins, they are inadvertently using vectors for entertainment.
Vectors are a part of your everyday life, even if you don't know it. They are used to calculate flight paths, paths to cross a river, throwing something, or even the outcome of a collision.
But what are vectors? A vector is a specific mathematical structure. It has numerous physical and geometric applications, which result mainly from its ability to represent magnitude and direction simultaneously. Wind, for example, has both speed and direction and can be conveniently expressed as a vector. A vector defines its direction and magnitude through its initial and terminal points. 8-ball is merely a virtual representation of tabletop pool. People all over the world fill their time hitting balls into pockets with sticks. However, there is a greater mathematical significance behind this pastime. When hitting a pool ball, you must account for the direction that you are aiming for, if you will run into any other balls, as well as how hard to hit the ball. Magnitude is the force which you hit the ball with. Direction is the angle which the cue hits the ball. Additional vectors are introduced when one ball collides with another. In tanks, the objective is to fire your cannon over the castle and hit the opponent's tank. In order to do this, you must readjust power and direction, but be careful because you must also account for wind. In terms of vectors, the magnitude is represented in the power, and the direction is associated with the angle at which you fire.
Just like putt-putt golf, your objective in mini-golf is to get the ball in the hole, and just like 8-ball, we can achieve this goal using vectors. You have to first figure out which direction you want to aim your ball, then adjust the speed, representative of the magnitude, you let go. Hole in one! In the penguin game, your goal is to knock your opponent's penguins off the iceberg. In this game, your direction and magnitude are all in one arrow, which you adjust accordingly with every penguin. In this game, you have to play smart, deciding whether you want to hit a penguin straight on with high speed or trick your opponent going in another direction with a small speed, so you don't fall off.